Hello, and welcome to Auto Power University. Today, we will be covering the EzWriter Formatting tutorial. This tutorial will be important for individuals establishing and working with EzWriter to understand the report creation, editing, and formatting of reports. This area is key to the initial setup of an EzWriter report and is the basis for the report output appearance. The EzWriter Formatting tab is part of the editor screen and provides report header options and allows you to define sorting, group by, and totaling options. You can also define report options to suppress details and establish page breaks. One of your key challenges is understanding the various formatting controls and how they will affect the formatted output of your report. Understanding these key distinctions will make your report's appearance and the data presented more meaningful and effective. Let's get started. You can access EzWriter from the main menu by selecting the Utilities Program menu. Then, select EzWriter from the Utilities Program menu. Input your password and click Login. Select Editor from the EzWriter menu. To access the Editor Formatting tab, you can edit a report by left-clicking on an existing report and selecting Edit Report. Alternately, you can select New Report at the bottom of the EzWriter report selection screen to format a new report. In our example, we are going to review the Formatting tab using an existing report called PM Due Report using the Edit Report feature. Report formatting in EzWriter allows you to make the following heading formatting options. You will see 3 rows, divided into 3 columns, under the title report heading. The columns and rows within each of these boxes represents the heading position on the report, where the information you select will be displayed as left, center, and right. Each box within this heading grid is a combo box that allows you to select heading information items by clicking onto that box. For example, on the far left of your report in the heading, you can display the time, date, or date and time in any one of the left positions by selecting those information items. In the center heading area of your report, you can display the company name, report name, and/or report description in any one of the center positions by selecting those information items. In the right heading area of your report, you can display the time, date, the date and time, or the page number in any one of the right positions by selecting those information items. By using these heading options, you can define what information the heading of your report will contain and in what position. Heading information is optional, but recommended on your report to help date the data on the report and define the report's function. The screen in this example displays all of the options in various positions. You will make your own selections for your reports. Report formatting in EzWriter allows you to make the following data sorting and group by options. Your report will contain reporting columns of information that you may want sorted in ascending or descending order. The data in those columns is described under the heading, Column Description. To the right of the Column Description heading is a Sort by heading. The boxes under this title are combo boxes that allow you to select a sort by criteria by clicking the box. In our example, here the customer column will be sorted in ascending order, as will the customer number and vehicle number columns. Additionally, you can group information on your report by using the Group by Formatting option to the right of the Sort by option. For our example, the report will be sorted by and grouped by customer. Then within customer, sorted and grouped by customer name. And then within customer name, sorted and grouped by vehicle number. All the other information in this report will follow this sort by and group by formatting. By using these sort by and group by options, you can define what information the body of your report will contain, and in what sort, order, and grouping. Sort by and group by information is optional, but help with analysis and report functions. You will make your own selections for your reports. Report formatting in EzWriter allows you to make the following data order options. Your report will contain reporting columns of information, from left to right. The data in those columns is described under the column description. The top described item will be positioned first in the left column, and the last item at the bottom will be in the last column of the report. You can change the order of the data presented by changing the positions of each column description using the up and down button on the right of the Formatting tab. It is important to understand that your sort by and group by options will take the top positions on your report. You will be allowed to move them up or down, but the sort by columns become fixed. By using these data order options, you can define how information is displayed on your report. Your sort by and group by options will limit your data ordering options. Report formatting in EzWriter allows you to suppress the detail on a report and to request page breaks. These formatting options are activated by the checkboxes at the bottom of the Formatting tab. If you have made any formatting changes, you must save those changes before you exit the Formatting tab. Simply click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you do not wish to save your changes, click the Cancel button. Thank you for your time.